Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. So for today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your fiscal year end on QuickBooks. So first is head over to qbo.intuit.com or the QuickBooks webpage. And from here, make sure that you're logged into your account. Next, at the top right corner of your screen, click on the gear icon or the settings icon, then click on account settings. Now in the left panel, switch to advanced, then click on the accounting category. Now this is where you can change your fiscal year. Look for the first month of financial year, and from here you can change the month or your desired date. And next is the first month of tax year. You can change it to January or same as your financial year. Then once done, just head over and click on save. So that's pretty much it. Thank you very much for watching this video. I hope that you find this video helpful. And if you do, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. And I will see you again on the next one. Bye!